Organizations and founders. First one, Vidya Poshini Sabha by Sahodaran Ayyappan. Second one, Amalolbhava Sabha by Chavara Elias Kuriakose. Third one, CMI Sabha by Chavara Elias Kuriakose. Fourth one, Jadinashini Sabha by Ananda Tirthan. Fifth one, Yoga Shema Sabha by V.T. Bhattathiripadu. Sixth one, All Travancore Muslim Mahajanasabha by Vakkam Maulavi. Seventh one, Shaiva Prakasha Sabha by Taikad Ayya. Eighth one, Iyava Mahasabha by Dr. Palpu. Ninth one, Kalyana Dayini Sabha by K.P. Karuppan. And 10th one, Cochin Pulaya Mahasabha by K.P. Karuppan.